Pūtake o taku hiahia kia hanga o kia tito waiata reo Māori, ko aku tamariki. And I just want them to feel like reo Māori music is normal, it's mainstream.
They took your tongue, but you still have your heart.
Hey Love is a reclamation ballad. I tito i te tau 2019, i te wai noho au ki Takiura, a whakarauora tia i taku reo. I had written it, I suppose, from the perspective of tupuna. Like I just could feel the call of, te karanga mai o taku reo Māori ki au. Miharo katoa tēnei kaupapa o te waiata anthems. I think it just allows emerging artists to have support to put their own music out, but also with te reo Māori as a focus. It's like, kua marina tia aku tino, like te reo Māori and waiata. It's beautiful.